Lose It! Nutrition Honest Review. Watch before using. Most people struggle with weight management, but Lose It! Promises a simple, data-driven approach to tracking calories and improving nutrition. Lose It! Is a mobile app that allows users to set weight goals, log meals, and track activity. One standout feature is its barcode scanner, making it easy to log packaged foods. Users can also create recipes, track macronutrients, and monitor progress over time. Most people get this wrong. They assume apps alone change behavior. The surprising truth is that consistent tracking, awareness, and habit building are the keys, and Lose It! Provides the structure to do just that. Personalized goals, reminders, and reports help users stay accountable. Another advantage is integration. Lose It! Syncs with fitness trackers, Apple Health, and Google Fit, allowing a complete view of calories consumed versus burned. The app also offers community support and challenges for motivation. However, there are considerations. The free version is limited, and some features like meal planning, coaching, and advanced reports require premium subscription. Logging every meal can be tedious, so commitment is necessary for best results. In conclusion, Lose It! Is a practical tool for anyone looking to manage weight, improve nutrition, and monitor activity. It's simple, effective, and motivational, but requires consistency to see lasting results. Subscribe for more honest nutrition and health app reviews before starting your journey.